Before using the equipment, you need to unscrew the water inlet cap to add water. Add water until the water level reaches the standard area. Connect the power supply in the equipment to 220 volts AC voltage. When using the welding function, the equipment must be connected to a shielding gas. The equipment supports welding of 3 materials: carbon steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Stainless steel uses nitrogen, while the other 2 metals use argon. The air pipe has been fixed on the equipment. Open the air switch. Press the water cooling switch. Wait for the equipment to heat up to around 22 or 23 degrees Celsius before starting welding. Next, install the wire feeder. Attach the wire coil to the axle. Insert the welding wire into the wire feeding tube from the bottom and lock the wire feeding wheel. The value displayed outside the wire feed roll corresponds to the thickness of the welding wire. The stainless steel welding wire with a thickness of 1.0 is installed here as a demonstration. There are 2 wires behind the wire feeder. One of them is connected to the welding equipment to control the wire feeding speed and wire feeding amount. The other is the power cord of the wire feeder. Plug it in. Next, install the welding gun head. Insert the wire feed tube from the bottom of the gun body. Tighten the gasket, nut, and wire feed nozzle in sequence. Click on the settings option and enter your password. Select the language setting in the lower left corner of the screen and modify it. Don't forget to save and exit. Come to the technology interface of the laser welding system. Important welding-related values can be adjusted here. Click Scan Speed and enter a value. Turn on the laser switch. Grounding clamp. Press the gun button to emit light. If you want to use the laser cutting function, click to enter the technology interface. Set the scan width to 0. Remove the wire feed tube and replace it with a special cutting nozzle. When using cutting mode, the gas needs to be replaced with compressed air. Clamp the ground wire on the top of the gun head. Click the gun body button to emit light. Click the switch button in the upper right corner of the main interface to switch to the laser cleaning system. System switching requires complete power off and restart. After entering the laser cleaning system, click on the Technology tab and adjust the relevant values as needed. Remove the wire feed tube and welding gun head. And install professional cleaning gun head. Open the lens compartment. Remove the welding-specific focusing lens and replace it with a cleaning-specific lens. Seal the cabin. When emitting light, you need to double-click the gun button and hold it down. After use, turn off the laser switch first, then turn off the water cooling switch.